accept, advert, advertise, advertisement, boss, businessman, businessperson, businesswoman, department, director, employ, employer, factory, industry, leader, manage, manager, network, offer, office worker, poster, sale, secretary, service, tourism.
Tom is a young business person who works in the tourism industry. He started as an office worker and was quickly employed by a large travel company. Tom's employer saw that he had great potential, so he was soon promoted to the sales department. In this role, he helps to organize holiday packages and offers. Tom worked hard and showed his skill in managing teams. His boss, Mr. Smith, decided to offer him a role as an assistant manager. The company believes in advertising their services well, so Tom often helps design posters and adverts. He understands how important an advertisement is for attracting new customers. As a leader in his team, Tom accepts challenges easily. He connects with other teams through various network events. During these, he often meets other business people, like businesswomen and businessmen, who share ideas and plans. This helps him learn and grow in his career. One day, Tom visited the main factory of the company. There, he met the director of operations, who explained how the holiday products were developed. Tom realized that every member of the team, from the secretary to the factory workers, played an important role in the company's success. Through teamwork and dedication, every department works towards delivering excellent service to their clients. Tom hopes to continue his journey and one day become a top leader in the industry. He loves the daily challenges and the opportunity to learn something new every day.